Let's learn the piano scale in the key of G. The key of G, right? So this is your G. So in the key of G, it's gonna start from here. It's gonna be learning from 1 up to 7. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 again. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to 1. Remember, we're using the numbering system, right? You're learning the key of G, right? From 1 up to 7, 1 up to 7, 1 up to 7, right? Now you just learned the scale using your left hand. Now let's see how you get to play that using your right hand, and then after that we're gonna be using both hands. And then the last thing that we're gonna do, we will show just a little bit, of the demonstration on a song. Can just be any song, and then I'll demonstrate on how you can use this scale, and also the chords that are gonna be within the scale in the key of G to play your song progression. Right now, let's play that scale using my right hand. I'm gonna be using the triad chords. I'm gonna be using the 3 fingers on my right hand. It's gonna be a 1. It's gonna be a 1, and then this is gonna be a 2. This is going to be your 3. This is going to be a 4. So 5. This is your 6. And then this is the last chord, which is your 7. Right? Let's do them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1 again, right? And then if you play them this side to here, it's still gonna be the same thing, just that it's gonna be just one up by just 1 octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sound is still the same, just went up by 1 octave. Now let's play the same scale using 2 hands, so you see and you also hear how it sounds like, right? The harmony as well. So 1, 2, 3, moving to 4, 4. And then we're going to 5. This is your 5. The next one is 6. And the last one is 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. So you just learned your piano scale in the key of G, right? From 1 up to 7. Now let's play the song progression using the chords that we just learned, right? We're playing using the chord triads within the scale of within the key of G, right? And then we're using the scale. Now let's play a song. Can be any song. I guess my go-to song is always Our God is an Awesome God. Now let's not waste time. Let me show you how you play that in the key of G within the same scale that I just showed you. It's gonna start from 4. It's gonna be your our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Begin our way of playing the song, right? Using the key of G. See, this is the 4 that you just learned. We're starting from here. 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. So a good thing about learning this, right? Learning your piano scale, it does not matter which key you're learning. Obviously, eventually you want to learn your piano in all the keys. Is helpful, but if you don't want to do that, it's still fine, yeah. But the good thing about learning this, and also being aware of the numbering system. I know with some musicians they'll use maybe letters, but when you know the numbering system or letters, it's easy also to communicate with other with other musicians, other people that are playing instruments. Maybe you're playing with a bass guitar player or maybe a lead guitar player. Then you can communicate using the number system. So maybe you are the one who's directing, that song of Our God is an Awesome God. Then you can communicate and say, hey, actually that song is start on 4, going to 1, to 5, to 6. Or maybe it's the other way around. You are the one who's taking instructions and your MD is communicating using the numbering system. Then you are able to follow. So it's important that you know this. This is your foundation.